Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free Stripe account so you can start taking credit card payments online. The first step is to head over to stripe.com, then look for the Start Now button. Click on that button. This will bring you to a page where you need to enter a few fields to create a basic account. You're going to need to enter your email address, a full name, and a nice strong password. Okay, so I just quickly filled out this form. Now I'm ready to continue. So I'm going to click on Create Account. As you can see, I'm now signed into my dashboard. I need to complete a few more steps before I can start processing payments. I'm going to start by verifying my email address. Stripe just sent an email to this address, which I used to sign up, which I need to go and open. Here's that email. And then click on this link here just to verify that you own this email or that you have access to it. Once that step's done, the next thing you need to do is activate your Stripe account. Click on the Start Now button. Now this process consists of a few steps. The first step is simply to enter your business address. If you run a home-based business, if you're a sole proprietor or an individual or a corporation, however your business is set up, start by entering your business address. As you can see, I just filled out this form, and I'm just going to say that I'm an individual or sole proprietor. Now I'm going to click on Next. Now you might be wondering why you have to fill out all these fields. Stripe just wants to make sure that you're a real person and that you're not going to be laundering money through their platform. So what you'll see here is a form that has fields that are similar to the fields or questions that you might get if you're creating a bank account. So you're going to have to enter your first name, your last name. So this would be your legal name, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, and your social insurance number. Okay, I just quickly filled out all the fields here and I'm ready to continue, so I'm going to click Next. Now I need to specify what industry I'm in. I'm just going to pick software. You'll see there's a whole list of industries here. You can also search at the top. So for example, if you have a clothing brand, maybe type clothing and then see what comes up and pick whichever category is most appropriate for your business. Next, I need to enter my business website address and a description of the products that I'm selling. Now, I don't actually have my website address yet, so I'm actually signing up to sell through the Shopple app. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say shopple.net. But here you can enter whatever your website address is. And if you're not sure what your website address is going to be, then just enter the platform that you're using, whatever their address is. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to click Next. Now we get an opportunity to customize the information that our customer will see on their credit card statement. You'll see we've got a few fields here. First is statement descriptor, and here you can see an example of what that would look like on the credit card statement. So by default, Stripe uses your website address, but you can go change this to say whatever you want. Then there's also a shortened descriptor. So here you can provide a little bit more information. And then you have to provide a phone number that your customer can call in case of a dispute. So here you want to just enter your phone number. Okay, so I filled out these fields and I'm ready to move on to the next step. Now I need to provide my bank details. Now, you might be weary to enter your bank details here. All that Stripe needs is the information that can be found at the bottom of a check. So if you're sending checks to your employees or to your suppliers, that information that anyone can see at the bottom of the check, Stripe just needs you to enter that information into these fields. And you can see for each field, they'll clearly show you where you can go find those numbers on your check. Once you've entered all these fields, Stripe will be able to create a connection to your bank account so that they can send payments to your bank account. When your customer pays online, it will go to Stripe, and from Stripe, it'll go to your bank account automatically. Alrighty, I just filled out all the numbers that I need to enter here, and now I'm going to click Next. The last step in the process to activate your account is to set up two-step authentication. So I'm going to click on Use SMS. In order to complete this step, you need to enter your phone number and then click on Confirm Phone Number. Stripe will now text a 6-digit code to my phone. I just need to enter that number and the confirmation process is complete. Now that I've set up two-step authentication, I'm essentially done with the process of activating my Stripe account. I can click on Next. This will take me to a summary page where I can see everything that I've entered, and in case something needs to be changed, you can do that. And now all that's left is to click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you'll be able to start taking payments through Stripe. You'll be able to connect your Stripe account to whatever sales platform you're using to do online sales. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.